Earth Is Ghetto episode 17. Kyren Lacy, another Trey Reed, the NFL star who just so happened to die before his day in court. So, let me get this straight. A young black man, gifted, educated, and on his way to the NFL, ends up dead. And just like that, another case closed. Kyren Lacy wasn't some thug running the streets. He was a star athlete, LSU wide receiver, college graduate, loved by teammates and fans. But somehow, just days before his grand jury hearing, the narrative flipped. They said he shot himself during a chase. Convenient, right? No dashcam footage of the shot. No independent bodycam evidence released. Just trust us. Where have we heard that before? Trey Reed, no foul play. Malcolm, no foul play. Sandra Bland, no foul play. Apparently, in America, if you're young, black, and on the rise, no foul play is code for don't ask questions. Let's not act brand new. Every time a black man starts thriving outside their system, they cut him off at the knees. Kyren was set for the league, a multi-million-dollar future. But now the headlines say suicide, not sabotage. We've seen this movie before. The moment a brother tries to rewrite his story, here come the whispers, the mugshots, the smear campaigns. They hate to see us winning, shining, breaking the molds they built for us. The receipts say the evidence doesn't add up. Distance at crash, 70 to 0.6 yards. No signed witness statement. A day before he was about to speak his truth. That's not coincidence, that's pattern. Kyren Lacy didn't just die. His story was rewritten before the ink dried. And until we stop believing every official report, the cycle keeps repeating. Earth is Ghetto, Decolonizing History and Religion, one episode at a time. Subscribe if you felt that in your soul and join us for the next episode. It only gets messier from here.